Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best mildew removers on the market, the HIHWEM Mold Remover Gel. If you've been struggling with stubborn mold and mildew in your home, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and how it stands out from the competition. Let's kick things off with what makes this product special. The HIHWEM Mold Remover Gel is not your ordinary cleaner. It's a powerful, concentrated gel formula that's ready to use straight out of the bottle. Unlike sprays that can run and drip, this gel clings to surfaces without any mess, making application a breeze. Whether it's your bathroom tiles, kitchen sink, or even the seals of your washing machine, this gel penetrates deep into mold and mildew roots for fast, effective removal. Plus, it's enhanced with lysozyme, which aids in breaking down mold for long-lasting protection. Application couldn't be simpler. Just apply the gel evenly to the affected area, leave it for 3 to 10 hours, and wipe or rinse away. No scrubbing needed. It's designed to save you time and effort while delivering exceptional results. Take a look at these before and after shots. Notice how the mold stains disappear, leaving surfaces looking clean and fresh. It's incredibly satisfying to see those stubborn stains vanish with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about versatility. The HIHWEM Mold Remover Gel isn't just for bathrooms. You can use it on silicone seals, grout, refrigerators, and even window frames. Wherever mold and mildew rear their ugly heads, this gel is up to the task. Another standout feature is its low odor formula. Unlike many harsh cleaners, the HIHWEM gel has a mild scent that won't overwhelm your senses. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, especially if you're sensitive to strong chemical odors. Available in a convenient 10 fluid ounce size, it's priced competitively to fit your budget without compromising on quality. You can also opt for a larger pack if you have multiple areas to treat. In conclusion, if you're tired of battling mold and mildew stains, the HIHWEM Mold Remover Gel deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Its powerful formula, ease of application, and positive customer feedback make it a standout performer in its category. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!